Welcome to the Info with me iPad Pro 2017, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one, and by this way we can see that we just successfully add here more applications to our folder. If you wanna rename the folder, we should hold it and click here to rename and enter the new one, or just to click on the folder and after that hold for a while the name here in the folder inside. So if you want to move folder here on the screen, you should hold it and just drag it to change the position, or between the screens we should by the same way hold and then drag it. So just to remove the application from the folder, we should click here to minus icon and tap to remove from home screen, or just if you want to stay with this application in the folder on the home screen, you should hold it and drag it here to home screen. So just to remove all of the applications and the folder in one click, we should hold the folder and tap to remove folder and confirm by click here to remove from home screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.